The exam room door closes. The clock starts. That essay you spent weeks perfecting for your portfolio, that process is useless here. Exam writing is a different sport, played under intense pressure with no timeouts and an unseen opponent, the prompt. Success isn't about hoping for a flash of inspiration. It's about having a system, a practice process that delivers reliable results when the stakes are high. It starts before you even enter the room. Don't memorize a 1,000-word essay. Instead, build a flexible toolkit. Memorize 10 to 15 key quotes that are versatile. Master a few analytical frameworks you can apply to any question. This isn't about having a pre-built answer. It's about having the right tools to build one on the fly. Deep understanding of a few things will always beat superficial knowledge of many. Inside the exam, your most critical asset is the 15 minutes of reading time. Don't start writing prose. Use this time to dissect the questions, choose your strongest ground, and sketch a quick plan for your response. A solid plan is your shield against mid-essay panic. When you do write, stick to a clear structure like point, evidence, explanation, link. Keep every paragraph focused squarely on answering the question. What if your mind blanks? It happens. Breathe. Feel your feet on the floor. Anxiety is normal. The difference is in managing it. Reframe the fear into excitement to show what you know. And remember the most liberating rule of exam writing. Under pressure, good enough is good enough. A clear, completed argument is better than a half-finished, polished masterpiece. Ultimately, an exam tests your ability to perform under constraints. It's not a final judgment on your intelligence. It's a skill you build through strategic practice. Trust your preparation, execute your plan, and manage the moment. You can do this.